These are the UIN Beyond the Shadow art painted sneakers I bought. I bought them as a replacement of my last pair, which lasted me almost 3 years before I finally wore a hole through the sole. I loved them so much. I was like, I have to get another pair. So I got a new design this time and they are gorgeous. They are canvas. They are so lightweight. These are a true kind of barefoot experience kind of feel because they're so lightweight. They have a really roomy toe box. I just love them. The inside is mildly cushioned. It has a little bit extra on the heel. There is some padding back here as well. I don't wear them barefoot. I wear them with these no-show gel grippy heel backed socks because they are like perfect. They just barely show, but barely. And it's just enough to like provide you protection from any kind of rub or sweaty, stinky feet. I love these. They are so lightweight, so flexible. They are great travel shoes, great everyday shoes. I love the little pop of color they have here. I love this design because it's black and white, obviously. It's so neutral. These are amazing. I love this brand. I want to get a million other pairs in different colors and stuff. I love, love, love.